begin a real conversation in Spanish. Okay? Hi. Okay, let's see. I want you to tell me how you say hi in Spanish. Very good. Hola. Hola. Hi in Spanish is hola. Excellent. Okay, let's go with another one. Yes? When someone tells you hi, you can answer with hi. How are you? How are you? In Spanish, how are you is ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Yes? Can you repeat after me? ¿Cómo estás? Excellent. Very good. Good job. Okay. And when someone asks you this question, ¿Cómo estás? Of course, in English, we answer fine. And you? Fine. And you? But how do you say this in Spanish? In Spanish, it is very easy. Look at this. We say bien. ¿Y tú? Excellent. Bien. ¿Y tú? It means fine. And you? Bien. ¿Y tú? ¿Cómo estás? Bien. ¿Y tú? Okay, let's practice. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Bien. ¿Y tú? Excellent. Now, I am going to say hola and I am going to ask you, ¿Cómo estás? And then I want you to answer, Bien, ¿y tú? Let's do it. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Excellent, excellent. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. Fine, and you? And then the other person answers, very good, thank you. Very good, thank you. In Spanish, to say this, we say muy bien, gracias. Very good, thank you is muy bien, gracias. Can you repeat? Muy bien, gracias. Excellent, good job. Muy bien, gracias. Okay. What about you? Okay, so when we answer muy bien, gracias, we usually want to ask how the other person is. And in English, we can say, what about you? But in Spanish, we say this. ¿Y tú? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Y tú? ¿Cómo estás? Excellent. What about you? ¿Y tú? ¿Cómo estás? Because we want to know how the other person is as well. We have to be polite. All right? Excellent. Okay, let's continue. And then when we ask, what about you? ¿Y tú? ¿Cómo estás? The other person can answer, I am very fine, thank you. I am very fine, thank you. Well, in Spanish, we have to answer using the verb estar. Yes, estar. Let's see. We say, yo estoy muy bien, gracias. Yo estoy muy bien, gracias. I am very fine, thank you. Yo estoy muy bien, gracias. Can you repeat? Yo Estoy muy bien. Gracias. Very good job. Okay, let's continue. Let's see how this conversation continues. Great, I'm so happy to know you're fine. Okay, in Spanish, this is Qué bueno. Me alegra saber que estás bien. Qué bueno. Me alegra saber que estás bien. Very good. It is great. I'm happy to know you're fine. Can you repeat after me in Spanish? Qué bueno. Me alegra saber que estás bien. Qué bueno. Me alegra saber que estás bien. Okay, very good job. Now let's do it faster. Qué bueno. Me alegra saber que estás bien. Do it faster, please. Qué bueno. Me alegra saber que estás bien. Very good. Excellent. You're learning Spanish really fast. Okay. Now let's continue. Okay. In Spanish, it is very common to ask about the other person's family. It shows that you also care about his or her family. So we say, how's your family in Spanish? Okay, we say, ¿Cómo está tu familia? Yes. How's your family? ¿Cómo está tu familia? ¿Cómo está tu familia? Can you repeat after me? ¿Cómo está tu familia? Excellent. ¿Cómo está tu familia? Very good. Now let's do it faster. ¿Cómo está tu familia? ¿Cómo está tu familia? Excellent. Okay. Now let's see how it continues. They are fine, thank God. Okay. In Spanish, people, or let's see, in Spanish-speaking countries, people are usually very religious. People believe in God and go to the church on Sunday and thank God as well. So when they say, I'm fine, thank God, or my family is fine, thank God. Yes, we always thank God. At least in my country, in Venezuela, okay? We thank God for everything. So in Spanish, to say they are fine, thank God, we say ellos están muy bien, gracias a Dios. Ellos están muy bien, gracias a Dios. Let's see. Ellos, it refers to my family. Están, this is a verb. Ellos están muy bien, gracias a Dios. Okay, let's see. Now let's practice this. Say, ellos están muy bien, gracias a Dios. Remember that the question is, ¿Cómo está tu familia? And you answer, ellos están muy bien, gracias a Dios. Let's see, let's practice this. ¿Cómo está tu familia? Excellent. Ellos están muy bien, gracias a Dios. Good job. All right, let's continue.